So Asus just confirmed the 3080 Ti. Hey guys, it's Chris with Tech5. Today we're going to be looking at some GPU news, and it looks like the 3080 Ti has been confirmed. No longer is this card just a rumor. This card has been confirmed by Asus, so it looks like we'll be getting this card, and looks like we'll be getting it soon, which I'm excited for. It also looks like the 3060 that's coming will have 12 gigabytes of VRAM. We're going to be looking at this, looking at the specs for the 3080 Ti, and trying to see what we can possibly expect the 3060 to be coming with. Let's get into it. According to videocards.com, Asus has confirmed two of the RTX 30 series graphics cards, the 3080 Ti and the 3060. Both of these graphics cards are scheduled for launch in early 2021, but Asus has already listed them under their support page. This makes me particularly happy because this is the model of GPU that I am wanting the most. But what can we expect for the specifications of the 3080 Ti? Well, details from Kopite Kimi suggest that the 3080 Ti will feature very similar specs to its bigger brother, the 3090. The 3080 Ti will be coming in with 82 GPU clusters, 10,496 CUDA cores, 20 gigabytes of GDDR6X memory, and unlike the 19.5 gigabytes per second speeds from the RTX 3090, the RTX 3080 Ti has rumored to remain the same with speeds as the 3080, sitting at 19 gigabytes per second. Since we are getting a 20 gigabyte bus interface, Nvidia will be using a 320-bit bus, giving the card a bandwidth of 760. The TGP for the card is set to be the same as the 3080, coming in at 320 watts. I'm curious how well this will fare with the additional cores being added, but TBD. Now about the pricing, my hopes are that Nvidia will try to undercut the 6900 XT with the new 3080 Ti coming out, but I honestly don't think this is going to be the case. I imagine that Nvidia will try to go with the same price as the 6900 XT, sitting at $999. This will end up putting the 3080 Ti between the 3080 and the 3090, both in power and in price. But it may be possible that the 3080 Ti could end up being a bit faster due to clock speeds. Either way, things are shaping up to be very interesting for those of us that wanted a real next-gen card with adequate VRAM. Based on a previous video, we may see this beast of a card drop sometime after the Chinese New Year in February. I'll have links in the description, feel free to check them out for yourself if you'd like. Now for the second card, the RTX 3060 is expected to feature 3,840 cores in total of 30 SM units. Though currently we are seeing 12 gigabytes for the VRAM, we have seen multiple ranges displayed for the 3060, from 6 gigabytes to 12 gigabytes. It is rumored that the card will have 12 gigabytes of VRAM, which is much larger than the RTX 3060 Ti, the RTX 3070, and even the RTX 3080. However, this is not confirmed yet, but if I had to guess why Nvidia would want to do this, it would probably be to try and get ahead of AMD's new cards. However, don't get your hopes too high. If you're considering one of these cards, keep in mind that we did see a rumor of a 20 gigabyte and a 16 gigabyte variant for the RTX 3080 and the RTX 3070, which didn't end up happening and were shortly canceled after. The card will feature a 192-bit bus in speeds up to 16 gigabytes per second, delivering bandwidth of up to 384 gigabytes a second. The RTX 3060 may be able to be picked up for $299, estimating sometime around January. Keep your peepers open and make sure you're subscribed so I can keep you up to date as things change. So I am curious if you guys have had any luck actually getting the hardware you've been after. I've been trying to get a 5900X since the launch of these things, and I've just had zero luck. I had a pre-order with B&H Photo, and I canceled the thing because they told me I wouldn't get it until December, which, you know, joke's on me because I'd have had it by now. Here I am still searching, and I canceled my pre-order, so dumb. Bad move. But anyways, I'm curious if you guys have had success, if you've had any luck, and I'm curious what you got if you have had luck. Let me know. Now, guys, if you are still after a certain CPU or a certain GPU or even a console, I do have a method here to kind of help you guys be more successful in getting that. You can check that out. You can just put the tracker up and have it sent to your phone if you choose to do that. That's a paid option, but there are free options. It'll just ping it on your computer locally if you want to check that out. Don't use this method on Newegg. Newegg is banning IPs. I just want to help you guys. Like, that's what I'm here to do. I'm just trying to help you. Like, that's it. Like, you right there. Yeah, trying to help you. Also, if you do have Twitter and you want some other options for trackers, you can follow this guy right here. They do put out stock levels whenever restocks happen, and make sure you turn on notifications so you get this stuff as soon as it goes out. Just you know, just trying to help you guys, you know, just trying to help you, like I said earlier. Just now, you guys know I got to shout out my Patreon. I appreciate you guys so very much for supporting the channel outside of being a subscriber. I appreciate it greatly. Thank you so very much for it. I definitely appreciate it. Thank you. That's gonna do it for the video. As always, if you do have any questions, concerns, confusions, whatever it may be, don't hesitate to ask, guys. I'm here to help, so ask. I'll help if I can. I'm really trying to build something for you guys here, and I hope you'll want to be a part of it. A simple like, share, subscribe, comment, they go so far for the channel. It really helps me continue to make content and grow. Now, if there was something you didn't like, thought I could have done better, whatever it may be, feel free to leave a thumbs down. I just ask you let me know what it was so I can make changes, so I can improve, so I can do better. I can't do better, I can't do different if I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So let me know. With that said, I hope you can like, I hope you can subscribe. And if not, well, I hope to catch you in another one. And remember, it's a vibe, a tech vibe, specifically. We'll see you.